This is cabin 629 here on deck 12. This is a virtual balcony, or an inside or an interior virtual balcony. And you can see that's the virtual balcony part right there. They've got a big, huge LED screen that broadcasts views from the outside of the ship. Outside of that, you have a king bed or two twins if you want to have them separated. Cabinetry wraps all the way around the bed. Nice padded headboard. There is some power here by the bed, which is nice. Over here, you have your little desk and a chair, two USB, and a European. Next to this, there's a teapot still here, as well as a mini fridge in here, and you've got some drawers. Nice size TV. By the way, there is a curtain if you want to cover up the outside view at night. Nice dressing mirror. Hello, everybody. Here's your bathroom. Toilet actually is in a really good place for someone my height at 6'4", so lots of leg room. You have a nice stand-up shower. What I like is when you come out of the shower, there's enough room to stand here and dry off. Nice small sink, doesn't need to be too big or too small. Some shelves, there's power, everything that you need. So there is your interior with a virtual balcony. I want to know what y'all think of the virtual balcony. Would you rather have just an inside cabin, or does that help give you some perspective of the outside to make it feel not so claustrophobic? Let us know in the comments below. Ciao!